This the street light.
Yeah.
Boy, I can tell you about rolling calf.
Mm.
As I hear the bush make noise, you run and hug up yourself. So tell me, you think Kevin too crazy can manage this style?
Yeah.
Alright, tell me go and check me for Instagram.
High grade and
Up top, wipe off your mouth.
Right.
Yo, you see when you look boy?
Yeah.
Me I tell you, the road is bad.
Yeah.
I be barefoot you walk. No we can put on a shot. Me I tell you. You see me I come on last lane to it dark, me I tell you. If you lick up in all now wall you see a dopey. So tell me, Kevin too crazy sick of me? I want to challenge him. I want them have a debate team. The two of debate against where we constructive. We want to talk about the history. So who know history better? Because I tell a boy, so you see first time we didn't know about beach. You see when Alpart got the hole him. Alpart got the hole him and the water come up on top, he look pretty. You see as going he red like that. Another side part. I'll show you part now. This side part. And when you dive off, and you get up, no brief. Me say, no matter how you want to look at the water, you can't see everything. You have to go find bush and go up. You have at the style. So then I say, come back. You see, I like you look so. A plastic side of my part. Our child. I got a child na the chalk, I think. I must say, you take the tall of me and I shot them, I'm going to go to. If you see inside now, people run for me.
But you used to see me like chalk over my
Oh, me see me like. Upon the things, we just go upon your song like a what they call it, pool with it. I juggle foot so. Because I can't go in, I never come up back. You ever go blub, 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 blub.
So you can't swim then?
Swim one, man.
Yo, stop talking, man. You can't swim, man.
No, me go to beach Friday, but we didn't swim.
So you didn't swim?
Swim,
Where
man.
you going to water, buddy?
The boss say, hold the machine and hold the key.
So that's all you do?
So what do?
If you're driving on the in the water.
Me go there, I want to drop in the water. You show you I'm serious.
Eh?
Me I tell you, remember white milk, you want to run the belly. You see white milk, you see white milk.
In a bag, you have to
You see white milk, you get the crips you
in
will.
a bag.
So when you could have come in a straw. Bag. You come now so look up your bag boss about this height.
That will make it out.
When you take two sip off it, you see, with the bulla. That's how they be big style. They could have the modern day style in a free time. You are fully.
Hold on it. It's about free time. What are you talking about?
Jinx time out. Commercial.
Yo.
So what you say about Pete Tyler?
Alright, back to the first news again. We are here live again. You know the story? May I tell you when I witnessed time of my life. Remember we are going to school?
Yeah.
Your mother send you come buy 1 point of iron. You see banana cheap blue, you see? You go back the same party I come from. Tell me now, what kind of story that you not try to tell me? I'm not afraid. Benji, we have fear now. Remember, me can't afraid of fall. You're afraid of all lizard, but I'm afraid of fall for real. Me say, hey. Yo, remember now? In a 1998, right? You don't have no flush toilet. So if your belly around, and you can go to the door. And you want to have your out there. So remember I say, watch out. If you see banana tree blow, the drop knife. And enough people go by that. I want Cherry side. How do you so grill? You watch some African show more time. You see boy they were right so like a sound. Like you see you watch around so. This like a gutter they slung pan. I shit, you shit now. You see we're proud. We build place so we can't go hide yourself. Oh God. Title. 2020 God, you love your life, but the people in the hide. The people in the hide in the dark for a long time. First time, they should tell say you remember say college. They didn't tell you about college. Go on a bush a morning go get fire stick. RP league. Which one the rather? Which one the rather? I would not even go to school. Tell me. Kevin, too crazy. Meet me. Enter you meet me, you call me. I enter you book up. This is going to be one big... You see, Anthony Miller can't manage this. You have to go wait first. Dian Hemmings can't need you. Yes, I mean, we're live.
You know what?
We're live on here.
Yo. You don't say your friend them just pass out the road and all I go do.
And then, I don't like see, that first thing, guess what them, guess what you people do?
Eh?
Hold gun in your belly. You see, it's the first time when me I go shoot, but me pack it full of soda, me never shoot one. Me, after me pack it dirty, most of me I go bush. I tell you.
So when you go back in, where you get?
Eh?
When you go back in and you pack it.
Anyway, me I come from, me I go back, because my daddy I kill me and my mother. Me I tell you, some boy don't know them style. That me a big man, when me I go do. When me I be like catapult for.
So you used to be barefoot glass, you know you barefoot glass school?
Glass school? No, me not going to tell lie for that.
Wear shoes, glass
But
school.
watch out, we are barefoot go church.
That way?
Church.
So you don't wear glass school and you wear glass church?
Because me have no manners. Me say, I want to drink beer, my mother say, you're going to want to drink beer. One boy, one beer. I get some chicken box.
So you end up wearing barefoot no glass church?
I told me say, I'm a bad man, I wear big boot. And then
yeah,
barefoot now.
Yo.
Them tell you a big boot.
Ah, it's Sparta.
Big boot you have to wear.
So
Big
far,
boot.
man.
You must have no specific type of boot, you know. So you can wear, say, your booms. This is the type of boot you're going to wear. You just wear one big boot. But when you have one big boot, they tell you, if you have to wear, go everywhere. Everywhere. Because if your mother carry goat, I have to wear. If you go to church, I take essential boot mostly. Because they say have a church.
Where the name in a theater?
Me not the call it ever no. But you see Dangari, that's one of the main choices you usually wear.
Dangari.
Dangari.
They used to wear Dangari, man. You know Dangari material?
Oh,
Yeah.
right now, I want to pay out of my friends wearing the camera and beat them.
Eh?
You want time wear me Dangari, you see? I don't know what happened, get a sale upon it. You see, sale, where did it upon it? I bet I.
No, yo, Mayo, young boy like you know Dangari.
Not true, my body looks so. My hard, not age.
Boss.
Yo, Dangari, a long time material. You know that? Dangari, I before you want to.
That's what I tell you. You
Eh.
should have voted nobody, but you have to vote with somebody. You see the reason why?
You know what?
That's the reason why.
Who
You see, if you didn't vote with nobody,
you
you
vote?
don't say you're a bad man for me.
Who you vote for?
Oh,
Yo.
God.
A good boy, man.
Me and Garvey are brother, man. Garvey said 36 year and a half, 6. 36 year, and this year make 37. Me not
But you
catch
not
me.
gonna know yet, though.
But me not think catch me. Some more reach 15 years, but me not catch me. Me have it this year.
It's like this.
Remember say I bush there how we live now. Look on the road. Look on the road. Look on the road.
Oh, yeah, we want to know my youth.
We have some brilliant person come from this side of Awola, you see? You ever hear about we go on news yet? Only time go on news are the people and chat with. I wonder how wicked this disease that.
Wait.
Oi,
The only, eh?
that TV is a war going when they call COVID-19. How wicked is war going? God don't know, without your mask.
Listen, they tell me what are we in a blood clot team, no?
First thing, me not even know me every month. I see when you in your mask, man. Never check your head. You say me don't feel it, I see him side.
Head. I hear that roll.
The man on one side said about 6 feet.
Where say COVID-19 mash up the thing now, no?
Me not gonna say it, you say it. But me I tell you, a wrong war they coming. Me know this a war. Better than a shoot up also. But this a war. It's terrible.
Where say better than the rest?
If you did have 200,000, see that? You see? If you have 200,000.
Sorry, that's true.
Every time she go on, man, you frighten me, you see, man. You check some my wizard got so heavy here. I'm checking me out for me, man.
Where's the bad boss?
Me say, this a war. Remember they say if you stay in your house, you have certain time go in and come out. That means they don't want the things to earth.
Oh, 20
God details say they want the things to earth, sir. So man I tell that. I come out anytime man.
No code. No, wait, Charlie.
Curfew.
No curfew, no code.
19, they call it C19. I want to body slime crab like.
Wait, no.
C19. They say, yo, you see more time? C19.
I want
Jay,
a rifle.
Oh, you more taste, you more fresh. Wait, brother, we have a drink and the money in free, brother. We must have that every time you have them on phone.
And a code.
Cut. Oh, time out.